Hello ladies and gentlemen, so in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use Microsoft Excel sheets and duplicate this worksheet with this one. So let's say you have done a certain information and you have created your forms in the Microsoft Excel software, and you want to use the same formats and everything on the next sheet. Let's say this one is for the March 1st week 1, right? Then we have tried this, coming here and pasting then it's totally different. But here's the solution. Just click the delete button. Yes, then over this worksheet you just right click, then you click where it says move or copy. That's the same as duplicate. After clicking that, you have to, this will be the sheet, and we have to click where it says create a new copy. So after hitting click OK, then our new copy has been formed. So as you can see, we have two copies here. So we're going to edit our week number 2 form, and this will be our week number 1. So then we can rename as week 2, and this one we will name it as week 1. Enter, and we just align them like this. So after entering information on the first, let's just enter random information here. Okay, should be PM. So okay, no, not this one. Yeah, as you can see, it's a fresh new page which is totally different from the first one. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe for more future tutorials that might be helpful for you and your business. Cheers. So if you're interested in this design like this, make sure to hit the comment section and just tell me, and I'll be there.